Back in December 2022, my husband and I picked up the keys to our 1920s bungalow by the sea and have been focusing on stripping back the property, including the rotten flooring and dodgy pipework and electrics ever since. We are very close to the end of this demo stage, with only a few more things left to do before the next stage with our architect. This week's video, however, is a little different. Hi guys, it's a little bit of a different video this week. Last weekend we were supposed to go to the Ideal Home show. Oh, I'm a little bit out of breath. Yeah, so we were supposed to go to the Ideal Home show, but unfortunately James had a very nasty fall, so he ended up breaking both of his legs. We've been basically living in the hospital since Saturday, trying to get him back to normal and obviously all like recovered and feeling a lot better. So instead of not showing up this week, I thought it'd be really good for me to go and do something normal. There's a Homesense literally right around the corner, and I just really fancied having a look at some homey, beautiful things. And yeah, I thought I would take you along with me whilst we do a little bit of shopping, a little bit of a mooch around Homesense. As you can imagine, the work on the bungalow is going to have to take a bit of a back seat. James is unable to go home at the moment, and he's got these sort of like boots on his legs that are going to have to be on for 6 weeks. So yeah, all of our plans are going to be a bit up and down for the time being. So I'm going to try and navigate what I do every week, but I didn't want to just not make a video because it's now part of my routine and I really enjoy making videos. And I know that there are people that also enjoy watching them, as I've had a fair few messages, which I really appreciate. So yeah, let's go. We saw this very similar sort of style in West Elm in London. A bit premature for garden pots, I think, but oh. So James's nickname is Froggy. Oh, that's really cute. That one's really nice with kind of the mix of glazes. Yeah, that's really cool. There are just so many pots. These are so beautiful. I really like the blue ones. That's very nice. This little store's just caught my attention as well. That was a bit bigger. How cute is that? So nice. It's going to be so nice when we can actually start decorating the garden, because with obviously all of the extensions that are going to happen, it means that the whole garden's going to be dug up at some point, so there's almost no need to buy any more pots, but it's just so nice looking at them all. Also, anything rattan will always catch my eye, especially this one, kind of like a scalloped design at the top, which is really nice. The little tables are quite nice. I feel like it's kind of going out of trends and fashion now, so rattan, unfortunately. This is really nice. Oh, maybe we could get one to hang on the olive tree. Oh, it's more of like a woodeny one. Oh, that's a shame. I really like that. Just spotted these little stools again. They're really cute. But I just don't know where I'd put it, because it's almost just too small for anything, unless you just put like a plant on top of it. Very, very cute. So this is hilarious. I just looked at this and thought, God, like the colours are really rich. That's definitely like what I keep seeing on like Soho Home website, and what I really want for part of like the guest bedroom potentially. Just looked at the label. It's Soho House. I'm very tempted. Well, I don't need any more cushions. Well, that's it one way. It's kind of hard to pick up on camera, but it's got kind of like a rusty red, like beige mix on the edge, and then this beautiful kind of like burgundy red wine colour. Ah, so nice. That's so weird. It's like this is what happens when you obsessively look over a website for too long. So yeah, Soho House. Is there maybe it's on the other side. shirt was £140, it's actually £60. Oh, I can't justify it. Might have to have a think about that one and put it in a trolley for the time being and have a think. These look very fancy. I actually quite like, and I don't know if it's a little bit fuddy-duddy, but I quite like these sort of style ones with like the dark wood bottom. I can't commit myself to one though, that's the only thing. These ladders are really nice for like a bathroom, like putting on bath towels and hand towels and everything. Very cute. So many good mirrors in here. I'm not really one for the artwork in here. I think I've just become a bit snobby and quite like older art, like paintings and prints that actually mean something to us. That's cool. Again, a little bit of rata. One thing I still need to look for is a light clip lampshade, so like an older one. So the actual, this bit would actually clip to the light bulb, which is usually typically an older type thing. So, and I'm having a little bit of trouble actually finding something for those vintage table lamps that I bought ages ago from Etsy. So I'm kind of thinking maybe I'm gonna have to do like a bit of a like a workshop and try and make my own. So I need to find like a class somewhere. But yeah, I think that'd be quite cool, just to like make your own thing, and then I can choose all of like the fabrics and the colour and everything. Because I'm not really having much luck trying to actually find something to buy for them. So, gosh, maybe I'm a bit premature with that as well. So I really like this one, but it doesn't clip on the bulb. Does that one? No. I really like that design. It's just a bit more fun. I really like the look of this actually. Oh, yeah, it's quite comfortable. £140. Again, it's the sort of thing we're gonna have to wait for when it's like for the garden. This is definitely the more peculiar, abstract decor here. For instance, a like felt or suede globe that doesn't really spin. This looks like petrified wood, or like a, I don't know, it looks more like stone, but it's made to look like petrified wood. Yeah, I don't like this, but I did find this quite funny, like you can literally put like little sweets in it. Little ostrich sweet holder. This is really nice. I quite like this because it's actually flush, so you sit on it. Whereas with this one, you're almost having to get over this like rounded bit. Also, I really like this, but I'm really interested in a little drawer like that. The fabric's really nice. We're going to make something like this in the hallway of our bungalow. Yeah, that's quite fun as well. I like that look though. I really like the look of these. It's like blown glass, which is really cool. It's like a berry scent. It's really nice, that one. Yeah, and these are really cute as well because you can reuse the glass for like something else. Mango tangerine, that's really nice, that one. Blooming daisy. Oh, very, very subtle. Just spotted these Kath Kiston notebooks. So I actually used to work for Kath Kiston, goodness, many moons ago now. I was doing some freelance work for them, so like dressing their Piccadilly flagship store that they used to have. I think it's still open actually, that one, but yeah, I'd be like there from 6 PM till 6 AM, basically redesigning like their windows for any new campaigns they were doing. So yeah, it's always be a little bit of a Kath girl in me. These are really cute actually. much are they? Oh my gosh, they're like £6 as opposed to the typical £11.95. I think this one's my favourite. Oh, that one's a bit more expensive. That's just typical me, was going for the more expensive one. I think I'm going to get that though. Always good to have a notebook, especially for more YouTube video ideas. This is the only other thing that's really caught my eye. But it's £60 for a cushion. That's just basically going to be put in a box for months, so it breaks my heart. I'm going to have to just leave it. These are absolutely stunning. £25 as well. Yeah, they're really beautiful. So when we had our little breakaway in London, we ended up going to the Japan Centre, and I was trying to find a ramen bowl, but I couldn't find any. And I've just spotted the perfect ones, which I'm actually going to get. Look how beautiful. With this little star design, like it's like a star within a star. So I've picked some out for me and James. So yeah, and they're only, I think they're £5.99. Yeah, look, £5.99. Perfect. So yeah, I've got my ramen bowls finally. Very cute as well, very like summery. I feel like this is quite Anthropology actually. Yeah, and there's like one with little lemons on. Oh my god, they're actually quite cute. Oh no, they're little oranges. Oh, that's so cute. These look very Anthropology by a company called Avec Toi. This is Thornback and Peel. So autumnal, really pretty. Yeah, very classic design. Kind of thinking when James eventually gets discharged, I might have to get something like this. I don't think he'll appreciate this one, but I have to get something like this because he'll be in bed for a while. This is an Emma Bridgewater one, the classic polka dot print. I think naturally I'm drawn to, oh, maybe not. These chairs are really nice. I feel like that's quite on trend at the moment. The boucle moment. Well, I quite like it when I see this, like boucle fabric in like a different colour. That's really nice. We've got the wooden legs as well. Very, very pretty. Right, I think I'm gonna go back down and pay for all of my shizzle. Quite happy with that. Just 2 ramen bowls and a little notebook. I am just gonna look on my maps very quickly to see what else is around, because we're currently in Tunbridge Wells, sorry, and I'm not really used to being around here, so I kind of want to see what else is here. James has got his family at the hospital, thankfully, so I can kind of have a bit of a break, because as you can imagine, it's been a bit crazy. It's been a bit overwhelming at times. So I have just had a look, and there is a B&M, and to be honest, and this isn't, if you like B&M, that's fine, like you can like what you like. I just don't think I'm a B&M girl. It doesn't really do it for me. So I think I'm actually just gonna leave this video here. I'm gonna head back to the hospital now. I've been reading some books actually, which is really nice. I haven't read for a while as well. I feel like when I'm at home, I'm either thinking about the renovation with the bungalow. I'm like James's carer as well. So trying to make sure that he eats, drinks, and has everything that he needs throughout the day. And then obviously I work on these videos, which takes a little bit of time. So yeah, it's nice to actually sit down and read. I'm reading Prince Harry's spare book, which is very juicy. So I'm really enjoying that actually. I'm about like 40 pages in. And then I bought another book called The Blackbird. And it's kind of like a murder thriller type book. That's more kind of my vibe. I'm not sure what next week's video is going to be like, but I'm gonna have to just take it every day as it comes, as you can imagine. But what I would love to do is get myself down to the bungalow and do some stuff there, because at the moment, as you're watching this, we have got one side of the bungalow that's got no ceilings. So I need to just like sweep up all of the bricks, all of the insulation, all of the ceiling that's like crumbled and is just everywhere. So once that's all cleared, we can then move stuff from the left side of the bungalow, like tools, furniture, bring that over and then do the same. So bring down all of the ceilings. And then after that we need to buy boards that are weatherproof and basically board up the end of the hallway that we've just knocked down. And then we also need to board up where the utility is going to be. I'll insert a clip here so you know exactly what I'm talking about. But basically that part of the kitchen that's got the roof light, that needs to completely come down. And we've also discovered that it's rotten, because there was no airflow for the boards. So I'm gonna have to try and sell that window. There's like a really large window, and there's that barn door as well, which kind of like half opens. I really like it. Maybe I'll try and keep it for the Airbnb that we're gonna build at the end of the garden. Who knows? But yeah, that's the next two big jobs that we need to do down there. Got an architect on board now, which is really exciting. But yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. As I said at the beginning, it's a little bit of a different one. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and like this video if you did. And yeah, I shall see you in the next one. Bye guys.